When is digitalization truly successful? When does digitalization really make a difference? When knowledge is always available, exactly where it's needed, and everyone understands it. When communication happens seamlessly and not a single second is lost. When what matters most always comes first and nothing is overlooked. When everyone knows what to do. When excellence becomes routine. When cleaning becomes patient protection, that's when we make the difference. Together, digital, successful. With the guidelines for digitalization in hospital cleaning from BHUK and Soobr.